I'm so happy you're here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga fun and happy adventures. Today's practice is filled with playful move and peaceful breath to help you feel strong, joyful, and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin our yoga journey. Seated forward bend. Seated forward bend stretches the back and legs while calming the nervous system. It improves flexibility, relaxation, and focus. Kids feel peaceful, quiet, and comfortable while practicing slow breathing and gentle stretching movements carefully. Frog pose. Frog pose stretches hips and legs while improving flexibility and coordination. Kids enjoy the playful movement that supports body awareness, balance, relaxation, and healthy muscle stretching during calm and exciting yoga practice routines. Camel pose. Camel pose opens the chest and stretches the front body gently. It improves posture, flexibility, and breathing strength. Kids feel energetic, brave, and confident while learning smooth movements and healthy body stretching during yoga practice. Boat pose. Boat pose strengthens the stomach, legs, and back muscles. It improves balance, focus, and body control. Kids feel strong, confident, and energetic while practicing steady breathing and developing better concentration through yoga exercises. Bridge pose. Bridge pose strengthens the legs, back, and hips while opening the chest. It improves posture and flexibility. Kids feel calm, balanced, and confident while practicing smooth breathing and gentle body movements during yoga sessions. Downward dog pose. Downward dog pose stretches the whole body and strengthens arms and legs. It improves flexibility, balance, and blood circulation while helping kids feel refreshed, focused, energized, and playful during peaceful yoga practice time. Warrior pose. Warrior pose builds strength, balance, and confidence. It strengthens legs and improves focus while encouraging courage and steady breathing. Kids feel powerful, calm, and determined during exciting yoga adventures and peaceful movement activities. Standing corpse pose. Corpse pose helps children fully relax after yoga practice. It calms the mind, slows breathing, and reduces stress. Kids feel peaceful, refreshed, comfortable, and happy while resting quietly and enjoying calm body awareness exercises. Eagle pose. Eagle pose improves concentration, balance, and coordination. Wrapping arms and legs helps strengthen muscles and develop focus. Kids learn patience, body control, and calm breathing while enjoying this fun and challenging yoga movement practice. Star pose. Star pose helps children improve posture, body balance, and confidence. Stretching arms and legs wide encourages flexibility, coordination, and positive energy, while helping kids feel happy, open, relaxed, and active during peaceful yoga time. Cobra pose. Cobra pose strengthens the back and opens the chest. It improves posture, flexibility, and breathing ability. Kids feel brave, energized, and active while gently stretching their stomach muscles and learning strong body control skills. Lion pose. Lion pose helps children release stress and nervous feelings in a fun way. It improves breathing, facial muscle movement, and confidence while encouraging laughter, relaxation, emotional expression, and joyful energy during playful yoga activities. Child's pose. Child's pose is a peaceful, resting pose that calms the mind and body. It gently stretches the back, hips, and shoulders while encouraging slow breathing, relaxation, emotional comfort, and a feeling of safety during yoga practice. Cow pose. Cow pose opens the chest and stretches the stomach area gently. It improves breathing, spine flexibility, and posture. Kids feel energized, relaxed, and happy while learning smooth body movements through this playful yoga position. Seated forward bend. Seated forward bend stretches the back and legs while calming the nervous system. It improves flexibility, relaxation, and focus. Kids feel peaceful, quiet, and comfortable while practicing slow breathing and gentle stretching movements carefully. Cobra pose. Cobra pose strengthens the back and opens the chest. It improves posture, flexibility, and breathing ability. Kids feel brave, energized, and active while gently stretching their stomach muscles and learning strong body control skills. Butterfly pose. Butterfly pose gently stretches hips and legs while improving flexibility. It relaxes the body, supports healthy posture, and encourages peaceful breathing. Kids enjoy the playful wing movement that helps release stress and improve relaxation naturally. Warrior pose. Warrior pose builds strength, balance, and confidence. It strengthens legs and improves focus while encouraging courage and steady breathing. Kids feel powerful, calm, and determined during exciting yoga adventures and peaceful movement activities. Star pose. Star pose helps children improve posture, body balance, and confidence. Stretching arms and legs wide encourages flexibility, coordination, and positive energy, while helping kids feel happy, open, relaxed, and active during peaceful yoga time. Lion pose. Lion pose helps children release stress and nervous feelings in a fun way. It improves breathing, facial muscle movement, and confidence while encouraging laughter, relaxation, emotional expression, and joyful energy during playful yoga activities. Eagle pose. Eagle pose improves concentration, balance, and coordination. Wrapping arms and legs helps strengthen muscles and develop focus. Kids learn patience, body control, and calm breathing while enjoying this fun and challenging yoga movement practice. Tree pose. Tree pose improves concentration, balance, and coordination. Kids learn patience while strengthening legs and core muscles. This pose also encourages calm thinking, body awareness, confidence, and emotional stability during playful yoga practice sessions. Mountain pose. Mountain pose helps kids improve body balance, posture, and confidence. It teaches calm breathing, strengthens legs and back muscles, and helps children feel steady, focused, relaxed, and ready for fun yoga adventures every single day.